Mini solar panels have gained popularity for the portable and efficient power generating capabilities. The key characteristic of these panels is their voltage output. Typically, a 6-watt panel will produce about 6 volts, making them ideal for charging small devices or acting as a power source for low-voltage applications. The construction often includes high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells, which ensure that these small panels capture as much sunlight as efficiently as possible to convert it into electrical energy. Durability is also paramount, with many models being weatherproof and resistant to environmental stresses such as UV exposure and scratching. This resilience makes them suitable for long-term outdoor use in a variety of environments, from urban settings to remote areas. Mini solar panels often utilize high-efficiency monocrystalline solar cells. Specifically, a 6-watt panel can feature cells with an efficiency that is often above 20%, ensuring optimal performance even in smaller panel sizes. These panels can be integrated with various devices and battery systems. Their voltage and power output make them especially suited for IoT applications. Panels are enveloped with ETFE, ethylene tetrafluoroethylene, coatings that provide UV and scratch resistance. Various mounting options are available for 6-watt mini solar panels, enabling fixed or flexible installation. Common solutions include brackets, adhesive mounts, and zippers for attachment to different surfaces or fabrics.